Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Navi Mumbai Municipal Commissioner Abhijit Bangar has warned his officials that strict action will be taken against concerned officials if there are potholes on the roads during monsoon season. He has set deadlines for various works which he said he will be inspecting personally. Bangar held a special meeting of his officials to review the pre-monsoon work in the city, during which he gave the warning. Said Bangar, "It is important to ensure that the roads are in good condition during the rainy season and that there are no potholes. I have made it clear that in case of potholes on the road due to negligence, I will take strict action against the concerned officials responsible for that area." Informed Bangar, "I have issued instructions that all work related to road excavation should be completed by May 15 and roads should be repaired by May 31. The cleaning of drains and gutters should be completed by May 25. Explained Bangar, "As some parts of Navi Mumbai are below sea level, I have asked for adequate number of water pumps of required capacity be made available in these areas in case of heavy rains during high tide." He added, "Deadline of May 25 has also been given for repair of flap gate on holding pond, fulfillment of requirements at pumping station, additional pump arrangement, alternative arrangement for power supply there, pump arrangement at possible places of water storage and underpass, removal of dangerous power poles, repair of municipal buildings and rainwater harvesting at Morbi project site." In addition to ensuring that water samples are regularly checked during the monsoon season, the Commissioner also directed that water samples from places where water is supplied by tanker or water is used from other source should be checked regularly. While ordering the cleaning of all the natural open nalas in the city by May 25, Bangar asked for close attention to be paid for removal of nets in the Nala stream. He stated that the cleaning of closed gutters should be completed by May 25 and the sludge removed during cleaning should be removed within 24 hours of drying. Concluded Bangar, "I will be constantly reviewing the ongoing pre-monsoon work to ensure they are completed in the stipulated time. I will personally be inspecting the sites to take a stock of the progress." For Avas for Shanwas Reddy, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.